Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to view analytics for your course using Kaltura. So here we are in our Moodle course and I want to show you how you can find the analytics for your entire Moodle course. So right now what we're going to do is go inside our media gallery. Again, I'm in my Moodle course. I went to media gallery and over here you'll see this menu in the upper right corner. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. You're going to click on that and choose analytics. Analytics is really important because it gives you an idea of how your students are taking in all of their information so you can get an idea of how engaged or not engaged they are. You can see it gives a highlight of the overall course, so how many player impressions, how many plays, and again these numbers are not that large since it's a test site, but you'll notice as you start using Kaltura and your students start watching your videos, this data will be really important for you. You can see your top videos, you can see your top viewers, you can view details on either one of these things, and here you can see your category performance over time. Now here under view details, if you choose users, you can see all of the users that are in your class and individually see not only their impressions, how many plays, and how many minutes they viewed your videos, but you can also see their average completion rate and their average drop-off rate. So if their average completion rate is low and their average drop-off rate is high, it shows that that's the reason why they're maybe not doing so well in the class. So you can get a lot from looking at your analytics. Now we can also see our top videos for this entire course as well, and it gives a score for that video depending on how many plays, how many viewers it has, and its average completion rate. This is important because it's great to know as an instructor which one of your videos is doing better than others, and so you can decide if you want to keep using that video in the future or maybe design other videos that are just like it since it might have received a high rating. Now, one more thing I want to show you in regard to analytics is in My Media. So we're going to go back to My Media, and if we go on any of our individual videos, we can click and see the individual analytics for that video. So if I go to my logging into Zoom with your Wagner account media, I can click on the little analytics sign here. And now this will show me all of the analytics for this specific video. It's going to show how many plays, how many minutes it was viewed, its average completion rate, and if it has any likes or shares. So this is just a really great way, again, to know how your video is doing. You can view your engagement per user as well and see who has viewed this video and their average completion rate as well. So this is just a really basic example of how important analytics are and how great it is for you to be able to measure student engagement based off of those analytics. Now, the last thing I want to show you in regard to these is the fact that you can export a report of all of these analytics. So if I'm here inside my media gallery, and again, I'm looking into my analytics here, I can also click export here at the top and choose any of these options that I want to choose to export in a report. Click export report and you're going to get an email once it's generated with a CSV file. And this is just an example that I had sent to me that shows me again all of the names and the same information that you saw right on your media gallery.